Life Systems Test. Number 1. Which substances are the products of photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Glucose, sugar, and oxygen. D. Glucose, sugar, and water. Number 2. Which substances are the reactants of photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Glucose, sugar, and oxygen. D. Glucose, sugar, and water. Number 3. What process do animals use in order to release the energy stored in food? A. Circulation. B. Conversion. C. Photosynthesis. D. Cellular respiration. Number 4. What energy conversions happen when animals use cellular respiration? A. Physical energy is converted to chemical energy. B. Chemical energy is converted to nuclear energy. C. Chemical energy is converted to mechanical energy. D. Heat energy is converted to chemical energy. Number 5. The process of cellular respiration is important because A. It releases energy from food. B. It transports food to where it is needed. C. It removes waste from the body. D. It produces food. Number 6. Which example illustrates the movement of energy from the sun through living things? A. Light energy to chemical energy to mechanical energy. B. Light energy to mechanical energy to chemical energy. C. Heat energy to light energy to chemical energy. Or D. Heat energy to chemical energy to light energy. Number 7. Why are photosynthesis and cellular respiration considered paired processes? A. The products of one are the products of the other. B. The reactants of one are the reactants of the other. C. The reactants of one are the products of the other. Or D. The two processes use different elements. Number 8. Which sequence best shows the path of energy that allows animals to move? A. Photosynthesis to light energy to mechanical energy to respiration. B. Mechanical energy to light energy to photosynthesis to respiration. C. Light energy to photosynthesis to respiration to mechanical energy. Or D. Respiration to light energy to photosynthesis to mechanical energy. Number 9. What type of energy is stored in a plant then used by the animal that ate the plant? A. Mechanical energy. B. Electromagnetic energy. C. Chemical energy. Or D. Heat energy. This is the equation for photosynthesis. Number 10. In the equation above, what does the arrow with sunlight written over it mean? A. Sunlight represents the raw materials needed. B. Sunlight must come from a specific direction. C. Sunlight is not a necessary part of this equation. Or D. Sunlight is the energy that causes the change to occur. Number 11. Which of these organisms are decomposers? A. Mushroom and weeds. B. Bacteria and mushrooms. C. Aspen trees and maple trees. D. Deer and bacteria. Number 12. Which of these organisms are producers? A. Rose and maple tree and weeds. B. Mushroom and deer and aspen tree. C. Maple tree, grass, and hawk. D. Cougar, snake, and bacteria. Number 13. Which of these organisms are consumers? A. Tree, cougar, snake. B. Grass, hawk, frog. C. Deer, rose, weeds. Or D. Deer, cougar, frog. A pyramid of energy is used to analyze the amount of energy available at each feeding level in a food chain. Use the pyramid above to answer questions 14 through 16. 14. Why is the amount of energy available to the hawk less than the amount available to the mice? A. There aren't enough grass plants. B, the mice can eat many more grasshoppers than they need. C, while mice are getting energy, they are also using some of it. D, if the hawk dies, the mice will eat it. Number 15. If there were 3,000 grass plants in a particular area, how many hawks could be supported? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Number 16. How many grasshoppers feed each mouse? A, 10, B, 20, C, 30, or D, 40. 17. Why do food pyramids not extend beyond 4 or 5 levels usually? A, it would lead to excess amounts of top predators who need a lot of energy. B, energy cannot increase beyond 100% at the top level of the pyramid. C, energy lost at each level leaves insufficient energy to support more levels. D, food pyramids do not have limits on how many levels can be reached. Use this food web to answer questions 18, 19, and 20. 18. Study the food web above and determine which of the following relationships would most likely be a producer-consumer relationship. A, lion, wildcat. B, green plant, jackal. C, green plant, mouse. Or D, owl, mouse. So producer first, consumer second. Number 19. If the rabbit was removed from the food web above due to disease or destruction, what is a possible result? A, the snake population would increase. B, the goat population would decrease. C, the wildcat population would increase. Or D, the jackal population would decrease. 20. Study the food web above and determine which of the sequences below would show how energy flows through a food chain. A, green plant, mouse, snake, kite. B, from rabbit, goat to jackal to mouse. C, kite to snake to mouse to green plant. D, green plant to wildcat to goat to lion. Use this pyramid to answer questions 21 and 22. 21. Which level of the pyramid contains the most energy? A, B, C, or D? 22. How much energy would be expected to move from level 1 to 2? Level 1 to 2. 1%, 10%, 50%, 100%. What is missing in the above diagram of a food chain? This diagram. A, a mouse because an owl eats it. B, a tree because it is larger than the plant shown. C, a deer because it eats the grass. Or D, a hawk because it is a consumer. Number 24. Which substances are the products of cellular respiration? A, carbon dioxide and oxygen. B, carbon dioxide and water. C, glucose, sugar, and oxygen. Or D, glucose, sugar, and water. Number 25. Which substances are the reactants of cellular respiration? A, carbon dioxide and oxygen. B, carbon dioxide and water. C, glucose or sugar and oxygen. D, glucose or sugar and water. 26. Which is not a producer? A, algae. B, fungi. C, some bacteria. Or D, plants. 27. Which of the following are examples in the carbon cycle? Select all that apply. It means there's going to be more than one answer. A, a tree taking carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. B, burning of fossil fuels. C, a volcano erupting. D, humans breathing while exercising. 28. A part of the carbon cycle can be described as A, consumers changing carbon dioxide to glucose. B, producers doing cellular respiration to make oxygen. C, consumers doing photosynthesis to make carbon dioxide. D, producers changing carbon dioxide to glucose. 29. What are the two global food chains? A, aquatic based on plants and land based on phytoplankton. B, aquatic based on sharks and land based on bears. C, aquatic based on phytoplankton and land based on plants. D, aquatic based on fish and land based on mammals. Number 30, human activities can increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Which of the activities listed are examples of this? A, burning of organic matter such as fossil fuels. B, volcanic eruptions that release carbon dioxide. C, cutting large areas of forests and clearing land. D, overall decrease of global ocean temperatures. It doesn't say it here, but this is a select all that apply. There is more than one answer. 31. Ecosystems rely on cycles and flows. Which statement is correct? A, energy cycles and matter flows. B, energy flows and matter cycles. Energy and matter both flow. D, energy cannot flow or cycle. 32. What does it mean to be a top predator? A, nothing else consumes you as a regular food source. B, you consume only organisms that are carnivores. C, you are never consumed as a food source. Or D, you can consume whatever organism is available. 33. Where does the mass of a plant or tree come from? A, the soil. B, sunlight. C, carbon dioxide. Or D, fertilizer. Number 34. Identify the main idea from the following paragraph. I'm going to read it without the letters. The stability of an ecosystem depends on the actions of the decomposers. Examples of decomposers include mushrooms on a decaying log and bacteria in the soil. If there were no decomposers, the nutrients within waste and dead organisms would not be released back into the ecosystem. Producers would not have enough nutrients. The carbon and nitrogen necessary to build organic compounds and then cells, allowing an organism to grow, would be insufficient. Your choices are sentences A, B, C, D, or E. A is the sentence that follows it. B is the sentence that follows it. So pick the sentence that is correct that follows the letter.